Hello, good day, everyone. My name is Chema Okafo. If you've been following me, you know I have been explaining different types of Facebook campaign. All right, so the last one will be conversion. But before going into conversion, we need to learn some things. All right, we need to learn some things like pixel, event, funding, and business manager. All right, before going into conversion, we need to learn some things. So, sorry. All right, so now what is Pixel? Now, Pixel connects your Facebook ad account with your website. Pixel connects your Facebook ad account with your website so that Facebook can monitor conversions and other important details on your website. Pixel is more or less like a middleman, a mediator also between your website and Facebook. It's something you use to connect those two, all right? To connect your website and your Facebook ad account. All right, that's what Pixel is. And the next one is event. These things are something you need to know before going into conversion. All right, so the next one is events. Now, Facebook uses events to know the number of conversions and the specific button or buttons users would click for a conversion to be recorded. Now, remember that Pixel is more or less like a middleman to connect your Facebook and your website. Now, for the events, there are different types of events. You have purchase events, you have contact us event. All right. Now, this event, when someone clicks purchase, Facebook will know that there is a conversion already. You understand? So that's what event is used for. Facebook uses event to know the number of conversions going on in that or on the site. All right, on your website, Facebook uses event to know the number of conversion, and we have different types of events. You learn more about this in web development. All right, then the next one is funding. There is really nothing difficult there. Funding just means maybe sending money. It just means sending money to your Facebook account to keep your ad running. All right, if you don't fund your account, Facebook will pause your ad. It will not run. So that's just basically what funding is all about. Then the next thing is business manager. Business manager. Now, for your account, your pixel, and all of that, you need a business manager. All right. And all of this, you will see it on your Facebook page. So if you want to, okay, business manager, this is used to manage your Facebook business ads account. It's used to manage your Facebook business ads account, pixel, pages, and events. All right, this is what business manager does for you. You only use it to manage your ads account, your pixel, pages, events, and other things that I might not mention here. All right, so that's what business manager does for you. Now, if you want to create your business manager, what you need to do is to open a browser. All right, open a browser. If you don't want to stress much on it, please pardon me. All right, pardon me, I think my network is bad. All right, so like I said, if you want to create your business manager, if you want to make it fast, you open a new browser and type business.facebook.com/overview. All right, you type business.facebook.com/overview. I don't know what's wrong with it now. Sorry, come. All right, so after that, the next thing you'll see a page like this. All right, if you type business.facebook.com/overview, you will see a page like this. Then you click create. All right, you click create account. You click create account and it will bring you to this page. All right, so what you need to do is to type in the necessary things, your business, your name, your business email, and the other things, and click submit. All right, so that's what you need to know for business manager. All right, so in our next video, I'll be training you or teaching you on how to go about Pixel, how to match Pixel with your Facebook and your website, and also the events, and then conversion. All right. Thank you very much for listening. If you have any question, you can always chat me up on WhatsApp. All right. Thank you very much. God bless you.